Have you ever pulled your laundry out of the washing machine, only to notice a weird, musty smell clinging to your clothes? You're not imagining things. That lingering odor, that subtle, something's off feeling, is more common than you think, and it's usually caused by bacteria and mold living right inside your washing machine. It sounds a bit gross, right? But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what's going on, why it happens, and how to keep your laundry smelling fresh and clean without any sneaky microbial surprises. Let's start with the basics. Your washing machine might look like a simple appliance that just swirls water and soap around, but it's actually a cozy little ecosystem for microorganisms. Tiny bacteria, fungi, and mold spores can thrive in the damp, warm, and detergent-rich environment inside your machine. That might not sound scary at first. After all, bacteria are everywhere, but some of these microbes are specifically the type that loves to colonize surfaces and grow in biofilms. A biofilm is essentially a microbial city. The bacteria stick to the drum, seals, and detergent dispensers, build up a protective layer, and start multiplying. Once they're established, they're really hard to remove. One of the biggest culprits is a type of bacteria called Pseudomonas. It's the same group that can sometimes make a swimming pool smell a bit funky, but inside your washing machine, it sticks around and loves moist rubber seals. Then there's Staphylococcus, yes, the same genus that can live harmlessly on your skin, but can also cause infections if it gets into cuts. And let's not forget fungi, particularly molds like Aspergillus or Cladosporium. These molds are perfectly happy, growing in small crevices of the rubber door gasket, feeding off leftover detergent residue, lint, and even tiny skin flakes. Now, here's the part most people don't realize. Your normal laundry habits can unintentionally encourage these microbial colonies. Think about it. You toss in a few items, maybe use cold water to save energy, and finish a short wash cycle. That sounds responsible and efficient, right? But cold water doesn't kill many microbes, and short cycles don't flush out residues thoroughly. Over time, that's like inviting bacteria and mold to set up a permanent residence. The gasket stays damp, the detergent drawer gets crusty, and your drum ends up with microscopic colonies that can produce that musty smell. Let's talk about common mistakes people make. Mistake number 1. Leaving wet clothes in the washer too long. Maybe you're busy, maybe you forget. Maybe life happens. But the longer damp fabrics sit inside, the more they provide food and moisture for microbes. It's like leaving a plate of food out on the counter. Eventually, something grows. Even just a couple of hours can make a difference, especially in warm, humid climates. Mistake number 2. Overloading the machine. More clothes might mean less time washing for you, but it also means that water and detergent can't circulate properly. Some areas of the drum don't get rinsed, and the inner surfaces never dry completely. Those hidden pockets become ideal habitats for bacteria and mold. You might not see anything wrong, but your clothes might be picking up some unseen guests. Mistake number 3 is underestimating the detergent. Using too little detergent might not break down the oils and sweat in your fabrics, leaving residues behind. Too much detergent, on the other hand, can leave soap scum that becomes a perfect food source for microbes. This is where people often think they're doing the right thing, but they're unknowingly contributing to a stinky problem. Another sneaky habit is keeping the door closed between washes. You might think it's just neat to keep everything contained, but a closed, damp environment gives microbes the perfect humidity to thrive. Leaving the door slightly ajar between washes allows air to circulate, which helps dry out seals, gaskets, and the drum, making it harder for bacteria and mold to survive. So what happens if you ignore all of this? First, your laundry might smell a little off, even immediately after washing. Then, over time, you might notice slimy residues on the gasket or around the detergent drawer. And if anyone in your household has sensitive skin, allergies, or asthma, these microbial buildups can be more than just unpleasant. They can exacerbate symptoms. The tiny fungal spores released during drying cycles can become airborne and irritate respiratory systems. And let's not forget odor-causing bacteria. Even harmless bacteria can produce volatile compounds that smell bad and cling to clothes, towels, and sheets. But here's the good news. All of this is totally preventable with some simple, easy-to-follow habits. First, let your washer dry out. After every cycle, leave the door open. Let the drum and the rubber seals air dry completely. A little airflow goes a long way in preventing mold growth. Second, run regular cleaning cycles. Many modern machines have a tub clean or maintenance wash option. Use it at least once a month, and if possible, use hot water 60 degrees Celsius higher, which helps kill bacteria and fungi. Add a bit of white vinegar or a specialized washing machine cleaner. Avoid bleach too often. While it kills microbes, overuse can damage the rubber seals. Third, pay attention to detergent. Use the recommended amount, and consider liquid detergents that dissolve completely. Powdered detergents can sometimes leave undissolved particles that encourage microbial growth. And don't forget the fabric softener compartment. It's another spot where residue can accumulate, so clean it regularly. Fourth, keep an eye on your laundry habits. Don't leave wet clothes sitting for hours. Avoid overloading. And if you're washing particularly sweaty, oily, or heavily soiled clothes, consider pre-rinsing or using a higher temperature cycle. These small changes make a huge difference in the microbial ecosystem of your machine. Fifth, check your rubber door seal. It's the prime real estate for mold growth. Wipe it down after each wash with the dry cloth and periodically inspect for black spots. If you see mold forming, clean with the vinegar solution or a gentle antimicrobial wipe. Make sure to get into all the folds of the gasket. Even a tiny corner can harbor spores. Now, let's talk about towels and other high-risk items. Towels are basically microbial magnets because they retain moisture for a long time. If you wash them with other clothes and leave them in the machine, you're creating a perfect petri dish. For these items, run a hotter cycle, dry them thoroughly, and consider occasional sun drying if possible. Sunlight is a natural disinfectant. Some people also worry about front-loading machines versus top-loading ones. Front loaders are more prone to these odors because the horizontal drum and tight rubber seal create a small, damp environment perfect for microbial growth. Top loaders generally have better airflow between washes, but they aren't immune. All machines benefit from regular cleaning, drying, and proper loading. Another interesting fact: did you know that some microbes can actually survive multiple wash cycles? That's right. Even if your laundry smells okay, small populations of bacteria can persist and recolonize the drum. That's why the monthly deep clean is crucial. Think of it like brushing your teeth. Daily hygiene plus occasional deeper cleaning keeps things under control. And don't forget about the drainage system. Bacteria can colonize the drain pipe and detergent drawer, then travel back into the drum over time. Flushing the system occasionally with hot water and vinegar can help reduce this risk. Some people also use special washing machine cleaning tablets that target these hard-to-reach areas. So, what's the takeaway? Modern washing machines are amazing, but they're not self-cleaning. Even if you're careful, microbial growth is inevitable unless you actively manage it. By following a few simple steps: leaving the door open, cleaning monthly, using the right detergent, drying properly, and keeping an eye on seals, you can prevent odors and bacteria from taking over. Your laundry will stay fresh, your machine will last longer, and your home will be healthier overall. Remember, this isn't about fear or paranoia. Almost everyone underestimates the microbial life in their washer. We just don't see it, so it feels invisible. But now that you know, you can take practical steps to keep your washing machine a clean, safe appliance. No weird smells, no hidden biofilms, no microbial surprises. Just clean clothes and peace of mind. In short, be aware of your machine, respect its quirks, and don't treat it like a black box. With a few proactive habits, you'll avoid most problems and ensure that your laundry experience stays pleasant. So the next time you pull your clothes out, you can breathe easy, literally knowing that your washing machine is working with you, not against you.